Well, as many hospitals are facing shortage of oxygen, JSW steel plant in Karnataka has stepped up to supply 800 metric tons of medical oxygen to COVID hospital that the steel giant has set up, therefore putting excess oxygen produced to good use. Here is a detailed report.
Lending its might in the fight against the highly infectious second wave of the novel coronavirus, steel major JSW Steel has built a makeshift 1,000-bed facility with oxygen at Toranagullu, about 30 kilometers from Ballari. This COVID care facility gets uninterrupted oxygen supply from the JSW Steel production unit. The entire infrastructure was developed in 15 days flat and thrown open to the public on May 19th. The idea of setting up the COVID care center is largely because of the easy availability of oxygen. There are 4 oxygen plants on the sprawling 8,000-acre JSW campus, which are now supplying more than 800 metric tons of liquid medical oxygen on a daily basis. There was also the problem of hospitals and industries running out of storage for oxygen. There are insufficient tankers and tanks to store oxygen in the refilling units, hospitals and other places. This COVID care center was set up to put the excess oxygen produced to the good use.
We have put all our resource how we can build 1,000 bedded oxygenated beds where we can supply oxygen from the plant by putting a pipeline, and that's why this idea got implemented within a short period of the 15 days.
What you see over there, that's the last step. So over the road, and then the pipelines are laid. You can clearly see them over here. Medical oxygen, this is what it is. And then it just proceeds right over here. It is at this point that it is routed inside to the COVID care center, and all the 1,000 beds over there get individual. In fact, each bed gets supply of oxygen individually, and all from the steel plant.
In this way, transportation of oxygen, which is difficult and time-consuming because it is highly inflammable, is completely done away with. There are 3 halls in the facility, each having more than 300 beds. While one hall has already been filled, the others are ready waiting to treat those COVID patients in need of oxygen.
Now what's interesting is this. This is the oxygen flow meter. This is for this patient. This is for the other patient. But what's interesting is that there are no cylinders over here. It's all piped, you can clearly see. You have an extensive pipeline running across this COVID care center, and all this comes directly from the steel plant, 5 kilometers away.
Furthermore, every minute detail has been looked into the center, from fire safety measures, doctor rooms and much more. There are also surveillance cameras from where officials can keep track of what is going on in the halls. To run this mammoth center, there are 75 doctors, close to 50 nurses, Group D workers, revenue staff, along with hundreds of others working in 3 shifts.
As of today, we have 168 admissions. 168. And then we have already discharged 5 patients. And then nearly today we have around 15 patients ready to discharge. And then around 18 cases we are referred to the higher census who required mechanical ventilation.
So the idea of bringing oxygen directly from the steel plant to the patient over here has been achieved, because no patient should suffer due to lack of proper oxygen supply. Now every life is precious and everything should be done in order to save a life. With video journalist Madhuar, Nolan Pinto for India Today.